Could you carve a cold weather shelter from a single tarp and fallen branches in a blizzard? The core technique is a low alpine lean-to using a tarp, windbreak, and rock wall to trap warm air. In a raging alpine storm, the creator gathers branches, stakes the tarp, and tests securing knots against gusts. This shelter buys crucial minutes by preventing hypothermia, getting heat inward, and keeping moisture off the sleeper. Would you attempt this in the wild and share your results to encourage safer, faster improvisation today?